Picture this. It is 3 a.m. You are awake, not because of noise, not because of stress from work, because in 3 days, a $700 car payment is about to hit your account. You are driving a vehicle with heated seats and a panoramic sunroof, but you are standing in the grocery store debating whether you can afford cereal. That is not a transportation problem. That is an identity problem. The belief that your car defines your success is quietly keeping you broke. You can either look wealthy, or you can actually be wealthy. For most people, you cannot do both. Today, we are breaking down the $700 identity trap, the specific mathematical and psychological trick that is quietly sabotaging the wealth-building potential of an entire generation. If you are tired of watching your bank account hover around the same discouraging number month after month, you need to hear this. Let's look at the math the dealership doesn't want you to see. The average new car payment has crossed $700, and many people are stretching these loans to 7 or 8 years just to make the monthly number look manageable. When you drive a new car off the lot, it loses about 20% of its value instantly. You haven't even gotten home yet, and you're already down thousands of dollars. But here is the kicker: the opportunity cost. If you avoid that $700 monthly car payment and instead invest that money in a simple index fund earning 8%, you'd be sitting on over $1 million in 30 years. That luxury SUV isn't just costing you $700 a month, it's literally costing you your retirement. You are trading your future freedom for a depreciating liability that will be worth practically nothing in a decade. You're not just buying a car, you're buying a wealth destruction machine with heated seats. Personal finance is mostly psychology, and only a small part is math. And we fall into this trap because of temporal discounting. Our brains are wired to value the immediate dopamine hit of a new car smell over the abstract benefit of financial freedom. 20 years from now, we've been convinced that our vehicle is an extension of our identity, that if you aren't driving something impressive, you aren't successful. But here's the cold, hard truth. The industry sells a fantasy. Real wealth isn't about a chrome grille or a designer logo. It's about having the freedom to wake up and decide what you want to do with your day. You have to decide if you want to be a consumer or an investor. An investor knows that a 5-year-old Toyota gets you to the same place as a $70,000 truck, but it leaves you with the capital to actually change your life trajectory. Here's how to escape this trap. First, you stop the bleeding. If you're trapped in a high-interest car loan, making it disappear must be your top priority. Every dollar going to interest is a dollar that isn't building your future. Next, you build a buffer. Aim for your first $10,000 milestone. Research shows that having this buffer reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, literally changing your brain chemistry so you can think proactively instead of just surviving. Then you commit to the boring path, investing consistently in index funds. Index funds won't give you exciting stories at parties, but over time, this strategy can quietly build millionaire-level wealth while you sleep. And finally, you shift how you think about cars. You stop buying status and start buying transportation. A reliable 3 to 5-year-old used car gets you where you need to go without eating up your money. Pay cash if you can. Let someone else take the massive depreciation hit while you use that saved cash to build an empire. That's how you break the cycle. Not with one big decision, but with a series of small ones that put you back in control. Your 20s and 30s can feel like financial quicksand. The decisions you make about what you drive and how you show up in the world will determine whether you spend your 50s building wealth or still living paycheck to paycheck. But if you're already in your 40s or 50s, hear this. It's not too late. One smart shift today can still change your financial future. Real success isn't about a chrome grille or a designer logo. It's about having the freedom to wake up and decide what you want to do with your day. If this video helped you see the math differently, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next roadmap to building real wealth. Hit that like button if you're ready to stop being a wealth pretender and start being a wealth builder. And comment below, what is one status expense you're cutting this month to fund your future? Let's start the conversation. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget, start small, win big.